Dust off your Cricut Maker and let's make the coolest project of 2025 with a do-it-yourself cat calendar. Today I'll be showing how to use one of Cricut's community projects that are put there from us Cricut makers ourselves, things that we've come up with and really liked and we want to share with everybody out there who's got a Cricut Maker. Go over to your Cricut Design Space, click your project button, and in this tab here in the search button, type in cat calendar. This is the cutest cat calendars. You're going to find a whole bunch of different ones here from 2014 or 2024 to 2025, different styles and shapes. But click the one that's 2025 from Kim Pollard. She adapted this from a 2024 calendar from another Cricut maker. And she attributes it down below here in this information section. I love these descriptions. She puts here that 2 of the months will fit on a standard cardstock paper. Total is 6 pages, and it's ready to go. But I like to edit my things here. I want more than 2 calendars to be on a cardstock, and so we're going to edit this down. But I like this. It just shows exactly what's being used in this project, and where she got her designs from, and how she was able to come up with these ideas. And this is all adapted from another maker, Amanda Seiper. And she made this in 2024 and it was adapted for this year. And so I just went ahead and clicked on this one here that was made by Kim. And we made the project for 2025. So go ahead and edit it. And we're going to size this down to fit our needs for this year. And so I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so I can see all 12 of these. These are grouped in 2s. And we're going to go over here and darken the background screen of our canvas so you can see this white cardstock a lot better. And so let's go over here and see what size we have. I want to put 2 images. These 2 images, 4 of them on a sheet. So instead of 6 sheets of cardstock, we're going to use 3 sheets of cardstock. And the height of these are different on these because the cats are a different height, but the length is the same. And the height and width on these are backwards since these are twisted sideways. So we're going to adjust the height on these to 6 inches each. That'll make each of these cards approximately just a little less than 3 inches wide on each one. And 4 will fit on a cardstock. So let's go ahead. It's time to hit that make button. And I always save my projects in case something happens. So 1 will show up on each piece of cardstock. So just twist this around 90 degrees and push it all the way to the top. Go over to mat 2 and click those 3 little buttons at the top and click move object and select mat 1. It moves it over there. So let's go ahead and twist this 90 degrees the other direction. And since this is on white cardstock, you don't want to get it too close, so just be careful. Now repeat this step with mat 3 and 4, and then again with mat 5 and 6. And we'll just do the same thing and adjust these so they fit on 3 sheets of cardstock. And don't worry about mats 2, 4, and 6. Those will disappear when you hit that continue button, so they won't even show up in the final project sequence. And so when you're ready, you have things where you like it, verify again. It's very, very important that nothing overlaps and is hidden under each other because you don't want to cut into each other's project. When you're ready, go ahead and click your maker, hit that print button. Notice this little directional arrow here. This is very, very important. That's the direction it's going to go into your Cricut Maker. Click your printer there. I always click bleed, but since this is white cardstock with a white background, it doesn't really matter on this because there's no bleed over print whatsoever, so that's not necessary. So go ahead and hit the print button. I'm using medium cardstock and I usually like a little more pressure. When you're ready and you picked your tools and stuff, go ahead and hit that Cricut cut button, and let's go over to my workspace and we'll show you what's going on over there. All right, I printed all 3 of my sheets. Aren't they cute? This is so cool. Now I numbered each of these sheets in order that they printed: mat 1, mat 3, and mat 5 here. And I numbered them 1, 2, and 3. This is order it's going to be printed or cut out on the maker machine. So go ahead and line up that arrow to the top of your mat. Press this down nice and firm. You don't want any air bubbles underneath because this will affect how it cuts. You don't want any air to disrupt how this cuts on your machine. So go ahead and push that down really good. If you have a brayer it down. Put that in machine, pull them out, and this is what you get. You get these cute calendar months. There's 12 of them total. Take a look at these. These are adorable. Thank you, Amanda and Kim, for putting this project together. It's turned out better than I imagined. I do see I need to adjust my calibration a little bit. The cut's slightly off, but it's still a very, very cute project. I'm going to keep this for my calendars here and put it on my desk. So cute. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like this tutorial. And leave me some comments. Send me some pictures. Let me know how this turned out for you. But use the projects that we share with each other. These are great projects. All of us community members put out there and share. We should take advantage of it because this is done, easy to go. And I want to make some more of these. This is a good group of crafters on this community, and we definitely need to support each other and use the tools that's out there for us. And so go ahead and look in the community, see what there's out there, make you a cat calendar. Now don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Us crafters need to be supporting each other. Let's get out there and start crafting, everybody. See you on the next one.